student, this is another family. Let's know which type of changes has come in this family. New place. Saring's father received a letter from his office. The letter said that he was being promoted and would have to move to another city. Do you know the meaning of promotion? Promotion means when a man gets the higher position and higher salary. So he is Saring's father. He is getting his promotion letter, and you are watching that everyone is very happy, but his grandmother and grandfather is not looking very happy. They are somewhat anxious. When Saring's father showed the letter to his family, how do you think the different members would have felt? So this is the answer. All family members were very happy with the news of promotion. But Saring's father, mother and grandparents were a little anxious as they had to make all the arrangement in a new town. And you know that when anyone is promoted, then their grandparents cannot go with them from a new city to another. They are to stay in their old home. Her grandparents could not go with them, so that they have to stay alone in the old home. You are watching the picture here. They are making arrangement for moving another city. This is his grandfather. They are sad because they cannot go, their grandparents cannot go with them in the new city, and they are to stay alone in their old home. What will change in Saring's family after his father's transfer? For example, who from Saring's family will live with his father at the new place? Which school will Saring go to now? Will be have new friends? So you can say Saring, her sister and mother will live with his father. Their grandparents could not go with them, and of course if he will go in a new city, then he will get the admission in a new school and make the new friends too. Has anybody in your family moved to a new place because of work? So you can say, yes, in my father's job I need to move to a new place after transfer. What do you feel about this change? What do you feel about this change? So mostly you can answer that when anyone get the transfer letter, their children become very happy because they are happy because they think that when they will go to a new place, they will meet to a new friends. Is there anyone in your class or school who has come to your school from another place? If so, talk to him or her. The questions are: where has she or he come from? What was his or her old school like? What does he or she find different here? What does he or she like the change? So you are to write your own answer here. This is a Nazli family. What is going on here? It's a wedding. There is great joy in Nazli's home today. Her elder cousin brother is getting married. You know that this is a bride. sitting. This is Nazli. This is the mother of Nazli. They are doing welcome to the new bride and the bridegroom. Here this is a family. One family member has been increased in this family now. Let's talk. Do you think that there will be any change in Nazli's family after this wedding? What will change? So you can say yes, after wedding a new member increase in a family and everyone enjoy a lot on the eve of marriage. Write down the reason for these changes in Nimi's family. What were the reason that the family become changed? In Nimi's family, her new baby sister has born. In Sering's family, Sering's father got a promotion and was transferred to a new town. In Nazli's family, a new bride came to Nazli's family. She was Nazli's sister-in-law. This was your second part. We will meet in the third part of the chapter.